Today's lesson is from the In Search of God book. It's on happiness, and we will be meditating on the divine happiness. You can find divine happiness in your everyday life. You find it through peace, through thankfulness, through harmony, for just that is the way we bring in the divine happiness. During this meditation, we're just going to experience that divine happiness to help us carry it into our daily life. All right, so the affirmation is, Our Father, our God, in my own consciousness, let me find happiness in the love of Thee, for the love I bear toward my fellow men. Let my life, my words, my deeds bring the joy and happiness of the Lord and Jesus to each I meet day by day. Alrighty. As always, we begin with the prayer of protection and the Lord's Prayer. We will go into a guided meditation. I will read the affirmation and we will sit silently experiencing happiness. Now, happiness is quite healing. So you will feel healing occurring in your body also. When the silent period's over, you'll hear the chimes. You know I'm about to speak. We will then proceed to roll the energy up using our mind's eye to the top of our body, and then roll the energy up the back of our body and over our heads, closing with the 23rd Psalm. Alrighty, let's get started. Take a deep breath and begin to relax. Close your eyes. Take another deep breath and invite yourself to let go, release. Begin to scan your body and notice, is there any tension? Is there any discomfort? And if there is, just bring your attention to that spot and invite your body to let go. Settling into ourselves, we say the prayer of protection. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. In the centered space within ourselves, notice that at the top of your head and at your third eye, which is on your forehead between your eyebrows, slightly above, there is a tingling. There is a sense of energy there. This is where the divine brings in all that we need all of the time. This particular day, it is an unusual color. Anything that you pick, and it is that color is nothing but pure happiness. Feel that starting to move into your head, covering your scalp, filling your head, actually moving out into your hair, relaxing your eyes, making all the proper connections in your brain. Happiness from the divine dwells in your head, sending signals throughout your entire body. Your whole body is relaxed and tingling as this happiness moves into your throat, pouring down your arms and out your hands, filling your trunk, moving through every organ, stimulating and bringing in this stillness, this beautiful color, this perfect happiness. Notice how silent this happiness is. It moves into your hips, thighs, knees, ankles, and feet. Every part of your body is experiencing the happiness. And as we prepare to sit quietly with it, we say the affirmation, Our Father, our God, in my own consciousness, let me find happiness in the love of Thee, for the love I bear toward my fellow man. Let my life, my words, my deeds bring the joy and happiness of the Lord and Jesus to each I meet day by day. And as we bring ourselves more fully into our bodies, bringing our consciousness back to the physical, we hold on to this beautiful, silent, colorful happiness and bring it into our life today. We reach down and begin to roll the energy up the front of our body and then roll the energy up the back of us over our head to the third eye. Taking a deep breath, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in a path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Sorry about that rough start. Hey, it's a Monday meditation. Always a little rough. Have a great and blessed day, and I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow. Bye now.